So this is the field that got, unfortunately, rained on the other day, and the growth back on it already. I thought Jason was joking a little bit with me when he said all he seen was green. He is doing the raking this morning because the rake needs a new bearing in one of the wheels, and I don't trust myself to not tear it up. Hopefully our parts will be in today. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow, so we want to get all this up along with all the hay that's been baled. We are going to stack the square bales, the big squares, somewhere. Just not real sure where yet. I love this little bottom. It's like he's bringing the hay out of the ground almost.
Southwest wind gusts of 2.8 miles an hour, mostly sunny on Wednesday.
Then they pull tension back down.
So what's that mean?
So if one sticks up, that means your twine's off.
Oh.
If one sticks straight up.
Oh.
See, they all have tension. There's your bale right there.
Oh. Yep, there's one that popped out.
So it tells you when it's highs, and then see this little, oh, I'll show you the next one.
Okay.
So, see, these are your flakes right here. It has its own flake counter. See it there? 17,
Yeah.
18. And then this one here is how many flakes were in your last bale.
Oh. So kind of like my stroke counter?
It is built in.
Like that. I don't know what any of that stuff means. It's so different than mine. Oh, there's so much hay out here. I never get to ride along with Jason anymore. So this is like a rare occurrence to be in the buddy seat. His tractor's so fancy. He does have the Hay Boss preservative monitor. We are not running preservative, obviously, because this is way dry. That it? Okay. You got enough twine? Ouch. Sorry. Rubbed it on my toe. Okay.
Stop the boat. I've learned to never underestimate the impossible.
I should be getting my cardio in. I realized this is also why I was never a track star, because jumping these windrows is ridiculous. He needs a 9/16. Never fails. Truck's never where you need it to be. Clouds are rolling in, it's hot. We were talking about how we're gonna have to take this field and like have it in 2 sections. So like this tree line more or less where this water is, until we get some sort of drain tile or fix it somehow, this is going to be like grass on this side. And then we'll have our little alfalfa plants on the other side. Just how it's gonna have to go. So much water. Once we get this baled up, we will go get the other truck and bring the skid loaders down. Only the downside is the ground is still sort of wet, so we have to be very mindful. It's not wet, it's soft. Of where we put the semis. Well, they'll be stuck to. And nobody's got time for that today. See, it's just soft.
Sitting here, we can fix our cylinder too.
Okay.
Let me get this fixed real quick.
I think we should change balers. We did finally get that 25 acres baled. Hopefully we can get it up. Storm depression, whatever it's called, is making its way up through the Midwest states. I've never been affected truly by a hurricane until now. This has definitely been one weird 2020 year. Farming runs a lot on faith. And without your faith, I don't think farmers would be able to do the things that they do. That is absolutely beautiful. There's the tropical storm depression coming through. We still have another trailer of hay to unload, and we still need to reload Jason's trailer. That's what we baled today. It has been one stumble along the way. I'm gonna walk down here and check on Lucy real quick in 21, real close. We gave one of the broken bales down here to the weanling calves, yearling calves. It has been a day and a half. We probably still will not get out of here before probably 2 a.m. by the time we bring home another load, or bring over another load, and then we have to tarp that.